I have no idea. It's something I've been horrible at my entire life, especially the self-care. I've always can care for someone else because it's just kind of an instinct. You just do it. If somebody needs help, you help them. You love someone, you want to shower them with as much love as possible, and sometimes too much of something, you know, gets taken advantage of, because I think that's human nature, and there has to be a balance. And it's okay to say no, and it's okay to think about yourself, but through many, many painful experiences have I finally am starting to learn that.